Well, it's probably been about 2 months, I'd say, since I started any of my old girls. I got the old Fury and the Rebel out here in the shed. Put the key in there. Lights are on. I don't got the battery hooked up to a little trickle charge or nothing. She's just sitting in here like she did last year. I rode that one all winter long last year. Ended up getting rust spots up here on my forks. Just starting to eat away. This spot rust, nothing real major. But I put some stabil in her. Let's see if she starts up, huh? She's not happy. Let's see again. We'll let her warm up for a second. I'll give her some juice. Go grab the keys to the Rebels, see if that won't start up too. Alright, got the keys to the Rebel. Probably been running about a minute or two. Sounds like she's getting warmed up now. I don't know if you can hear that, but it don't idle down the right way. I gotta take it to a shop when springtime comes. Something happened when I was riding it at the end of the season last year, and she just doesn't idle down like she used to. We're gonna let that run for another minute, and I'll turn the Rebel on. Oh, now I could hear myself think. Holy crap. Alright, Rebel's got the key in. Same thing. No trickle charger hooked up here. Same battery since I bought it new. We'll see what happens. It's been quite some time. I rode this thing for a year straight and I ended up putting 9,000 miles on it. Let's see if she turns over. This one's not quite as loud. Maggie. I don't think she's gonna make it. Give her one more try. I think that's it for the Rebel. She probably needs some new gas in her. She probably needs a jump. I haven't rode it in some time. My girls, besides the 86. Can't wait till summertime comes.